Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ruben Kinui, and today I'll be making a reel. We'll be using a Sony a7R II, recording at 4K 24 frames per second. Random B-roll shots. Today our subject is the 24-70 Sigma art lens. So our reel will be about the 24-70 Sigma art lens. We're using the Sony a6000 as a prop to enhance our scene. Do a voiceover, and at the end we bang some music, maybe to some gunshots or something. I want this reel to be interesting and catchy. I've been taking notice most of my followers been coming from reels, so I want to spend more time creating reels. Again, when we're filming a reel, it'd be like 30 seconds. So we want at least 15 different clips to be banging every second or every other second. So it's always good to shoot extra. Using a Tascam external recorder, little mic. Hello, check 1 2. Hit record. If I had to choose one lens for the rest of my life, you can bet your motherfucking life it'd be the 24-70 Sigma art lens 2.8. That was a one shot. You're editing your reel in Final Cut Pro. Always remember to go into your video formats and put vertical in. So we just wrapped up the edit. I went to YouTube Studio Library. I'm using a track called Desert Planet. I use a M16 machine gun as my sound effect from Final Cut Pro. With my audio, with the B-rolls you guys just saw me take. Man, it came out a hot reel. Check it out. Thank you for watching. This is behind the scenes on how I made my first reel. I posted a few reels before, but it was more of clips from videos that I posted. So this is like my first official reel that I created from scratch. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're out here motherfucking hustling. One lens for the rest of my life. You can bet your motherfucking life it'd be the 24-70 Sigma art lens 2.8.